Yo, what's going on guys? Ghost here and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to get cool cinematic shots on Fortnite. You can only do this on Save the World since Save the World, you can pretty much disable everything on your HUD and all like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what you're gonna want to do is first go into your options. And I'd recommend turning your sensitivity very low and also turn on first person camera. So it gets rid of your player, unless you want a player in the shot. So what you're gonna want to do is change your sensitivity down towards like 1. Go into your HUD, and you're gonna want to disable all of this. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. It might look very weird, but you see now you can't see my player. It looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, 1 second. You're also gonna want to turn on uncapped frame rate to make it look way better, because it just makes it look way smoother and all that. So on here, you're gonna want to grab a weapon in your hand. It's kind of a bad example right here. You can kind of see how
storm data has been updated on your mini-map.
Except with the mission is a little annoying. Yeah, you can kind of see
when you're ready.
You can get some pretty cool cinematic shots. Just grab a weapon, zoom in, and go very slowly, you know, where you want to be and all that. I'll show you another cool thing you can do. So what you're going to want to do is just pretty much grab your building material. And if you want to get like a sky shot like I've seen recently, you're going to want to build pretty high up, not too high. You're going to want to not die.
Look out,
You're going to want to slowly just fall down. Sometimes you might see what's it called, the stairs in your way. That's fine. Oh, this is a bad example right here.
One of our drones has taken damage.
And that's why also.
Can't let the husks destroy the drone. Head to the crash site.
Yes, that's pretty much how to get full cinematic shots in Fortnite. So I know a lot of people are wondering about it. So I always see it on YouTube, and I was actually curious myself. And I also need to give a shout out to Crypt.
Sorry.
That's Crypt. He's amazing. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.